Okay, here I'm sharing my screen with you guys. And now I will show you the solution. Actually, I will explain the solution. Actually, what the person is asking, give me a little bit. What the person is asking, it should repeat this many times over here. 603 is there, so it should repeat this many times over here. If 429, 6 times it should be repeated over here. If 429 is here. Okay, if the value is found, it should repeat these many times. I will do it with only VLOOKUP and columns. That's it. Okay. See, easy method. First of all, what I'll do, first of all, columns, dollar G2 colon G2. So I'll drag formula here and down. Here and down. Okay. Now what I'll do, it's a normal function. What I'll do now, it is VLOOKUP is, sorry, this is greater than VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP this. After blocking this column but not the row, comma, select the whole range F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. So what will be the true? If it is greater than VLOOKUP value, what the VLOOKUP will show us? This picture. Give us the value F9. See. If it is column is greater than that, then value is true, blank. I don't want anything. If this is false, then this F4 locking the column but not the row. It's normal function. It's very easy function. Control enter. If I enter any value over here, 3. If I enter 2, very easy. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Thank you for your valuable feedback and comments.